Chef Gail Sokol, and welcome to my kitchen. So today we're going to give you a hack. We're going to give you a little tip on how to get a cheesecake cool down quick. And before we get started, I want you to click that notification button. I want you to become a subscriber. I don't want you to miss any of my tips or videos because I love having you in my kitchen and I love sharing recipes and tips with you. So I came up with this when I was teaching my summer baking camp for kids and even for my adult culinary students throughout the years. And it does it super fast. So I just made a Basque cheesecake. It's still a little hot, but I want to get it cooled down fast, okay? So the parents would be waiting for their kids. We'd make a cheesecake and it would just be getting out of the oven and they'd be like, hey, they got a swim lesson coming up. So I would have to do something quick. So I took a giant bowl of icy water, more ice than water. You're gonna take some foil because remember, cheesecakes are baked in a springform pan. So there may be some crevices and intervals where water could get in and it's already baked. Now I've let this cool down for a little while, maybe 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna pull up my foil up the top, and this is heavy duty foil, and I'm gonna put it right in on the ice. And I'm just gonna let it sit there for 5-10 minutes. You can use as much ice as you want. Like I said, more ice than water. Once that springform pan gets nice and cool, you can take out the cheesecake from the bowl and you can slowly take it out of the springform pan. If you want to get it even colder, throw the whole thing after this particular stage and step, throw it in your freezer for about 15 minutes just to get it cool, and then you can just take it right out of the pan, plate it on a circle, a cardboard cake circle, give it to your friends or family, and you're ready. But sometimes I don't have time to let my cheesecake cool down really fast. So this is my big hack for you. So I hope you use this hack because it really, really works really well for cheesecake. So until next time, become a subscriber.